Juliana Sabatello, author of the Relationships and Mental Illness blog here at HealthyPlace. And I wanted to use this video today to talk about why a friendship and a relationship with a therapist are not the same thing. So a lot of people say, why would you pay somebody to listen to you when your friends and family do that for free? Well, if you're using your friends and family as your therapist, you're not actually being super fair or respectful of your family and friends' boundaries, first of all. So when you are using them as like your venting or sounding board, sometimes you can really cross their emotional boundaries in that way by basically unloading so much onto them more than they can really handle. If they're too close to the problem, like if the things you're stressed about are things that are ringing too true to them or things that they're also involved in, like family issues in a family they're a part of, that can really take a toll on them emotionally. And so like they're basically carrying all this stuff for you, but it's heavy on them to carry. It's really not theirs to carry for you. So relationship with a therapist is one-sided. They are there to listen to you and to help you. It is not the same as a friendship or relationship with a family member where really, you should be giving and taking. So the take is, they're listening to you, you're taking from them, you're taking that listening and empathy from them, but then you're giving to them. You're making sure that it's balanced and you're giving them the same consideration. And it's totally okay to have like deep conversations with friends and family as long as they're in the right place to be helping you and receiving that and like hearing all about it. And also that it's two-sided and you're not basically crossing their emotional boundaries with that. Therapists are trained in boundaries and what to say or do if boundaries are being crossed. And they're also trained in active listening. They're trained in self-care, all of those things to basically make sure that they're going to be okay to hear your story and help you. And also therapists, they actually do interventions with clients. So it's not like you're going to a therapist and they're just listening to you the way friends and family would. They are making plans. They are mentally preparing for like the way they're going to respond to you, the questions they're going to ask, the way they're going to direct the conversation, and very specific interventions and certain types of therapy to help you reach a goal. Those are not things you're going to get from friends and family. And those are very specific and important things that therapists are trained to do for you in a therapeutic relationship. And, those are some reasons why going to a therapist is really the thing to do. If you think you have something hard going on, you need somebody to talk to about it. You can't just say, oh, I'm going to go to my friends for that. Seeing a professional therapist is really the way to go if you can. And there are some resources at HealthyPlace that can help you to locate a therapist that can be a good fit for you financially and for your style and personality. So thanks for watching.